This tool allows you to create your personalized world travel map. It's very simple. You can either click on any of the countries shown on this world map, or you can choose the countries from the list of countries down below here. They're sorted by continents, so it goes from Africa all the way to South America. I'm going back up. So in order to create my own world travel map, I simply click on any of the countries. Let's say Germany. What happens then is a new menu will appear, and then you choose what kind of country Germany is specifically to you. So you could say you were born there, you're living there, you've traveled there already, you still want to travel there, or it is your favorite country. And of course, as it says here, multiple choice options are possible, because you could say I was born there and I'm currently living there. So if I choose these two options together and then click on save, you will see that Germany is colored in red. Now I could continue this for as many countries as I like. So let's say I've visited the United States. What I can do is I click on United States and I say I already traveled here. Choosing this option, click save. I've also visited Australia, so I click on Australia, say I already traveled here, and so on. Let's pick one more. Let's say I've already been to India, I already traveled here, done. Now you can see Australia, India and United States are all shown in the same color. It's because they belong to the same group. Those are the countries that you have already visited. Now, of course you can also add countries that you still want to visit as your future destinations. So I would pick, let's say, Canada, and then say I want to travel here too, because that's one of my future destinations. Save. And I also want to go to Japan. And again I click on save. Now what you see is Canada and Japan are colored in orange. Again, the same group, because those are the countries which I still want to visit. I'll pick one from the text list down here so you see how it works. Let's say within Europe I still want to travel to Finland. So what I do is I click on Finland, again the menu will appear, and I say I want to travel here too. I click on save. So if I scroll back up, as we can see, Finland now also has the same color as Canada and Japan. And there's one more option. You can pick your favorite country. So let's say my favorite country would be Portugal. So I click on Portugal and I choose the option my favorite country. Click on save. Now this is now colored in blue. Once you're done with your map, you click on I am ready, create map now. It's going to ask you for your name and your email address. So in this case I'll type in my name and my email address. What's going to happen is after you click on the button create map, you will receive an email, and that email contains a link to your final map version. So as it says here, creating map, it's gonna generate your map right now, and here we are, done. So you can see I have visited 4 countries. That would be, as it says down here, Australia, Germany, India and the United States, and obviously in the map they're shown as green. Green, my visited countries, there we go, United States, India, Australia and also of course Germany. So there are a few more options that you have after you've created your map. You can obviously share your map on Facebook, Google, Twitter, Pinterest, or you can embed your map. It's really quite simple. You click on this link, a new menu will open up and you copy and paste this piece of HTML code. So that means if you have a blog or website, you simply copy and paste this piece of code into your website and then the map appears there. And also you can purchase this map in a high resolution format. So what you see right now is a standard resolution map. Obviously you can use it as it is, you can share it with your friends, you can add it to your website, you can put it on Facebook, anything you like. But let's say you want to print your map, you want to put it on a poster, or you just want to print it out, then a high resolution version of that map would be better. I'll show you a map that I've created previously. It's not the same map, but it's a high resolution one. So if I go to the actual size of that map, you see it's a lot bigger, and it's not pixelated, not blurry. It's a very big version of a map that I've created before. And such a map you could then print or use for any other print purposes. I wanted to show you one more thing, the confirmation email that I was referring to in the beginning. So once you create your map, you will receive an email, and that email contains 2 links. One is the link to your actual map, and the second link lets you edit your map at any time later on. So let's say you create the map today and then 3 weeks from now you want to change something, you simply click on the second link and you're back within your map and you can make changes. So hopefully the countries that you selected in the beginning as your planned destinations will one day turn into your visited countries. Thank you very much.